In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear window regulator on your Honda Accord. Using a plastic trim tool, go under the window switch. Pop the window switch out. There's a little tab on this connector. Press that and remove it. Using a Phillips head bit, remove the screw. Using a small pick tool, we're going to remove the little trim door, just like that. Remove the two Phillips head screws. Using a plastic trim tool, get behind the door panel. We're going to slide down and pop all the clips out. Swing the door panel forward and pull it straight up. We're going to remove the door handle from the door panel. To do that, we're going to use a little pick or a pair of pliers. We're going to squeeze these little clips. And pull the door handle out. These are the little clips you can push on either side, or you can use a pair of pliers and squeeze them. Using a razor blade, separate the vapor barrier from the bottom of the door. Get about the bottom half of the vapor barrier cut away and be able to tack it up. Find the plug for the window switch. Plug it back in. And we're going to roll our window up or down until the two 10mm screws are accessible right here and through this little access hole. Remove the two 10mm screws. Roll the window all the way up. Using a few pieces of tape, we're going to tape the window glass up. We're doing this so that when we put the window motor down, the glass doesn't fall on us. With your glass taped up, go ahead and put the window regulator down. Remove the 10mm nut on top. And the two 10mm bolts on bottom. Push this top stud in. Remove the connector off of the window motor. There's a little tab on this connector. Push it and then pull back. Remove the assembly from the car. Remove the 10mm bolt from the new regulator. And we'll install this into the door. Install the connector. Push until you hear it click. Line up the holes for the window motor regulator assembly. Reach through the door and pull the assembly towards you, and then install the top screw. Roll the window all the way up until it makes contact with the glass. Then remove all of the tape. roll the window back down. And get it back into that service position for these two bolts. Install the bolts. And snug them down. Pull the vapor barrier back down and stick it back to the door. If the vapor barrier isn't sticking to your door anymore after removing it, you can go and get some more butyl tape or just regular tape. You just want to make sure it has a nice waterproof seal around the door. Remove the window switch. Grab your door panel. We're going to install the door handle to the panel. Grab the door handle, line it up with its clips, and push it straight on. Drop the panel onto the top of the door, and it'll drop in. Make sure your window switch connector is coming out of the top of the panel, and then go around on the door and set all of the clips. Install the Phillips head screw, and then the two on top up here. Install the trim piece. Install the window switch connector to the window switch. Slide this down into place, and then click it in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.